Tired of struggling with broken USB or AUX ports on your boat? Imagine having a reliable, waterproof connection that keeps your music flowing no matter what the waves throw at you. The JENAUX Waterproof USB, AUX Port offers just that: durability, convenience, and a hassle-free upgrade for your marine stereo system. I recently replaced the damaged USB, AUX jack on my pontoon with this JENAUX port, and the difference was clear from the start. The installation took less than 15 minutes, thanks to the slightly larger size that only needed a quick sanding adjustment. Instead of dealing with dealer hassles and high costs, I ordered this directly online and handled the swap myself. The 10-foot cable gave me plenty of flexibility to connect it easily to the stereo's rear USB and RCA inputs without any tension or awkward routing. What really stands out is the waterproof cover with an IPX5 rating. It shields your device connections from splashes and moisture, protecting your tunes and your investment. Plus, the UV-resistant finish ensures it won't fade or crack under harsh sun exposure, meeting the rigorous ASTM D4329 standard. Whether you want to plug in your external storage or your iPod, MP3 player, this port lets you enjoy your favorite music safely and effortlessly. If you're looking for a simple, effective way to upgrade your boat's audio system, this JENAUX waterproof port is worth a look. It combines rugged durability with easy installation, so you get what matters most: uninterrupted good vibes on the water. Try it when you're ready to bring your entertainment setup to the next level.